Hello everyone! Today's video is going to be very short, but I wanted to share with you how I built up this page out of scraps. As you can see, I have a bunch of scrap papers and my idea is to draw some letters and then fussy cut them out of those scraps. The first I'm gonna do is to calculate the size of those letters. I know I will cut the words, but that is not a problem for me at all. Next, I'm going to cut the scraps that I'm going to use because I want that all my letters have the same height, more or less. Next, I will draw some on the front but others on the back. It will depend on the pattern, but remember that when drawing in the back, the letters has to be written upside down. This is a little bit of time consuming, but for me it is totally worth it. Once you have them all cut, you can place them on the page and glue them. But I'm going to add some stitched details. If you're like me and you are always looking for a twist, you have to try this. Trust in me. And this is the end result. I love the texture and the contrast that the stitches give. I hope you find this useful to include it into your journals. This is all for now, but remember, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. P.S. Have you ever wondered what is under my desk? This is the sweet answer.